It's still Vlogmas 2022, and this time I'm in my Price's Pearl Life kitchen, and I have a baking recipe for you. That's right, it's my lemon pound cake recipe. You chose a good day and a good time to stop by. Sugar, flour, room temperature eggs, fresh baking soda, my lemons, unsalted butter, sour cream, lemon extract, salt, powdered sugar, measuring spoons, measuring cups, my sifter, my lemon juicer. I have my bundt pan and my favorite mixing bowl. But the star of the show is the sleek silver KitchenAid stand mixer. Now I'm setting my oven to 315 because everyone knows their oven. So now I'm about to put this cake together. The full description as well as the ingredients will be listed in the description box below. So keep watching. Let's get it and let's go. And I might add, this cake did not last 48 hours in my house. So I really need to invest in a zester. Until then, I'll improvise on zesting this lemon. To all of my loyal subscribers, welcome back, and I'm so glad you stopped by for Vlogmas 2022. I have been enjoying making these shorts and these full-length videos for all of our viewing pleasures. I would like to say to you, Merry Christmas and a prosperous and wonderful New Year. Love you all, and thank you so much for your continued support. If you're new here, formal introductions are definitely in order. I am Katrina, and this is the Price's Pearl Life. It's a lifestyle channel where I share my love of home decor, cooking, baking, vlogs, and shopping hauls. And if these are things that interest you, by all means, come on and join my growing YouTube family. It's fun and it's free. Even Santa loves my videos. After creaming my butter and sugar for about 5 minutes, now I'm adding my room temperature eggs one at a time, making sure they are each well mixed before adding an additional egg. So now I'm adding half of my dry mixture. Listen, make sure you start your mixer on low unless you want to have a cloud of flour. So I like to stop and scrape the sides down to make sure everything is being mixed well and incorporated before adding the second half of my dry ingredients. Next, I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of lemon extract. So if you've made it to this part of the video, definitely leave me a cake emoji down in the comment section below. And thanks so much for watching the full video, because watching my video, leaving a comment and giving me a big thumbs up, oh, that's real support, and that's how my channel continues to grow. So I'm poking holes in my cake because I made a simple syrup to add more lemony flavor. Next, I'm preparing my glaze. Now listen, don't do like I did. We were so ready to eat the cake. We did not let it cool all the way. But anyway, it was delicious nonetheless. Thanks again for stopping by the channel for today's cooking video. And I appreciate all of your support during Vlogmas 2022. From my family to yours, I wish you a happy holidays. That's right. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and oh, hold on. Y'all see that? Y'all see that cake, right? Yeah. Oh, okay. Well, anyway, as I was saying, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's, much love, much joy, and much peace. And I'll see you on the next video.